Good evening, everyone, and Professor Strayer. My name is Tina Giordano. Pronouns are she, hers. I am from New York, originally from the Bronx, but I did move upstate a couple of months ago. I did start Widener's MSW program this past May, taking interpersonal processes as my first course, so this is officially my second. I do have some background experience with online courses in the past, but not as intensive as what Widener's MSW program being completely online. I've only taken one or two classes here and there online, so I'm still getting used to certain things. So far, I'm enjoying my time in the program. I'm enjoying all of my classes. I'm really excited that I get to actually work with some classmates that I worked in my first class with, started together, going through together, so that's definitely something to look forward to. I graduated from Mercy College with my undergraduate degree last May. When I graduated with my bachelor's was actually when I was found out that I was pregnant with my first son. So after graduation, I took that first fall semester off to just focus on my pregnancy, and also just the first couple of months of my son's life. And then I started Widener's program in May. I picked this stage of my life cycle to start the program due to me still taking care of my bachelor's for a while. And I was also born and raised in the notion that education is very important in my household. My parents have both raised me on the notion, and I was always constantly growing and developing on the idea that education is very vital to your career, is very vital to your own growth and development, as well as your personal and professional life. So I really hope one day that I could really just take those values and those morals and lessons that I've always learned just from my education, stuff that I've learned from my parents, and be able to actually utilize both of those things in my parenting with my son. So I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody again. I'm looking forward to meeting brand new faces, and I can't wait to see what this class is about, and what Professor Strayer is going to teach us. I look forward to meeting everybody and chatting with everyone soon. Have a good night.